Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brap Genius back at again with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about what it feels like to ride a dirt bike.
Yeah, start it off right, boys.
Oh yeah, bud. Send it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're back here exploring some single track. I'm with a new friend of mine named Rich, who I happened to meet while just riding. I'm back here riding. I was recording the last video, you know, how to ride a dirt bike, updated part, I guess. And he came up to me, started talking to me, and we were talking about bikes, and you know, he made a new friend. That's what I love about this community. See, oh yeah, he's doing fine. He'll be good. So, you know, there's a bunch of different opinions on riding and what it feels like to ride and stuff, and everybody has their own view of, you know, different motorcycles, or maybe you're a car person, you ride cars, but you look at the dirt bike guys and you're like, you know, what is it with them? Those people are just, you know, a different breed, and to be honest, you know, we are. And the reason we are is because I feel like you get something out of riding dirt bikes that you can't get in a car, you can't get on a motorcycle. I mean, you can get close, I guess, if you go to a track or something, but it's not the same. Uh-oh. Let's see how he made out on that log. Yeah, he's good, he's good. Word. And the fact of that is the adrenaline rush that you get while riding a dirt bike is unlike anything else I've ever experienced. And if I had to pick one thing to keep between my car, my dirt bike, so we're kind of just exploring, you know. I don't even know if this is a trail. I think it is. There we go. Now we're back on the trail. But yeah, guys, if I had to just use one for the rest of my life, and you know, age wasn't a factor, and you know, when you get older, you know, breaking bones is easier, you know, I'll always ride a dirt bike. But if I had to just pick one, I would say dirt, at least while I'm young. You know, dirt is more fun because there's always stuff going on around you. There's always different trails every couple feet. There's different rocks and different turns and different paths you can go. You know, in a car, yeah, you can race people around turns, you know, you hit a track. It's alright. Same thing with motorcycle riding. I'm sure the track is really fun. And you have, you know, a track too for dirt bikes, but when you do some enduro riding, I mean, there's just nothing like it. It's its own world, and the adrenaline pump that you get from doing this is unlike anything else I've ever experienced, and that's what I love about it. Us people that are like super hype into dirt bike riding, that's what it is, you know. You gotta be a little crazy to want to go out and do something where, you know, you can fly into a tree, and there's trees all around you, you know. People that choose to do enduro riding and stuff and ride these dirt bikes, you know, we all go out knowing we could smash at any time. Woo! It's a fun section. Wait up for Rich, make sure he's all good.
2 hours later.
Yeah, he's got it. There we go. Cool, man. You know, I mean, you have that with street riding too. You got all the cars around you trying to kill you, but like, that's not the same feeling. And I think the people that ride dirt bikes are so in tune with this world because, you know, you have the ability to come out here with nature and just enjoy life, be free. Come out by yourself. There's not a million cars that are trying to kill you. there's so many different challenges that you overcome when it comes to this kind of style of riding, and that's what makes it so much fun. And you have all your groups of friends and stuff. You have different challenges that you face every day, different hill climbs, different trails and terrain and everything, and that's something you don't get with the car community and even the street community. You know, you can go out on nice rides on the street. You know, I definitely like motorcycles more than my car, but you know, when you ride a dirt bike, it's the most freeing feeling out of anything I've ever ridden or driven or anything. Nothing gives me the feel of, especially a two-stroke dirt bike. Hit the loop. It's just so freeing because you're always working your mind. You're always looking, all right, let's look at these trees, look at these rocks. All right, there's a turn up here. Oh, look, there's all these branches down. Okay, gotta give it some more gas. You know, you're always thinking, you're always exploring, and that's what I love about it. The feeling of riding a dirt bike, and then you account a mud into it. You know, you go out and you rip and you're all unsturdy because the mud's all over the place. You're spinning back and forth. It's just so much fun. Like I said, you connect with people. I know car communities like that as well, but the dirt community is just on a whole nother level, in my opinion. I mean, for example, look at my buddy Rich, right? Him and I are friends. We're going on our first ride. I met him today, like 20 minutes ago. Showing him the trails back here, right? He's having a blast. I'm having a blast. You know, where else does this happen? What other community do you have where you just meet up with someone out of nowhere and you go, hey, let's go on an adventure? Especially in 2021 with all the psychos out there. You know, I gotta give it a little gas. That will never get old, ever. Nothing will ever compare to that feeling, guys. I love it. Although I just got soaked and it's like 40 degrees. Basically, guys, riding a dirt bike is the most freeing feeling that you could ever have. In my opinion, there's nothing else that you could do that will make you feel as alive as riding a dirt bike. I guess that's the best way to describe it, is it makes you feel like you're alive. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. If you liked the video, let me know by hitting the like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!